As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Captiva Designs one. Both seem decent, but what jumps out at you?
Well, right off the bat, the ChuMaste is bigger. It boasts 464.8 square inches of total area, while the Captiva Designs offers 275 square inches. That's a pretty significant difference if you're cooking for more people.
Yeah, good point. ChuMaste is definitely geared towards slightly larger gatherings. But what about power?
The ChuMaste has 3 burners, cranking out 30,000 BTUs. The Captiva Designs has 2 burners, with a total of 15,000 BTUs. So again, ChuMaste seems to pack more punch for faster, more even heating.
Okay, so ChuMaste is winning on size and power. How about portability? I noticed the Captiva Designs is described as portable.
Exactly. The Captiva Designs is built for portability. It's a tabletop model. The ChuMaste, while it has wheels, weighs about 52 pounds, so it's more of a move-it-around-the-patio kind of grill. Plus, the Captiva Designs is much smaller in overall dimensions.
That makes sense. What about materials? Are they both stainless steel?
Mostly. The ChuMaste lists stainless steel burners and handle, but the frame material isn't explicitly stated. The Captiva Designs specifies alloy steel for the frame and cast iron for the grill grates, which are known for their heat retention.
Cast iron grates are a nice touch. Okay, what about ease of cleaning? Do they both have grease trays?
Yep, both have slide-out grease trays, which is a must-have. The ChuMaste also mentions detachable oil collection cups, which could be a little more convenient.
Good to know. And what about price? I think I saw they're pretty close.
You're right. The ChuMaste is around $169, and the Captiva Designs is about $180. So price isn't a huge differentiator here.
Right. So it really boils down to size and portability versus a more compact portable design with cast iron grates. I guess it depends on what you value more.
Precisely. If you're tailgating or camping, the Captiva Designs is the clear winner. But if you're mostly grilling at home and need more cooking space, the ChuMaste would be the better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.